Hey guys, so I am about to go get the stitches out of my ears. I figured I'm gonna take you guys along with me this next week. I always want to vlog and you guys tell me to vlog, but I always feel boring. But I have a lot going on this next week, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to actually do some proper vlogging. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to get my stitches out. Here's this one. And this one, still a little bruised on that side. But they're feeling good. They are a little tender, so I am a little nervous about the stitches. This is the first time I've ever had stitches in my life, so I don't know how they're gonna feel or anything like that. But I have a really long drive ahead of me. The place that I went to is like 50 minutes away. So I better get going, but I will update you guys in a little bit. I think I went overboard with the freckles today. Okay, I just got them out. Here they are. Getting those out honestly hurt more than like the procedure itself. It felt like kind of pinchy, I don't know, but they're out now. I think it'll be a lot better. He said that if the bumps and stuff from the stitches don't go away, then I can come back and get like a steroid injection to like help the scarring or something go down. But he said they're looking good, but I really like how they turned out. He says I can pierce them in 3 months, so I will wait for that. It is absolutely pouring outside, but I am passing a doggy bakery that I always go to whenever I'm in this area, and I can't not get my dog something, so I'm gonna brave the rain. Okay, I got the goods. Hey guys, so I am doing some painting. When we painted, we did sort of mess up some of the ceiling, so that's what I'm doing right now. This is the first time I've painted since the last time you guys saw. Wow, I'm a mess. Because I hate painting, but I'm gonna get it done, and I need to touch up like the tops of places right there. It's also good when people come and visit because then it forces you to get your act together. So David's at Home Depot and getting a haircut right now, and then yeah, we're gonna try to finish the house, and I will show you guys the updates that I have on the house. Otherwise, I've gotten a lot done. Is this bad lighting? It is. I'm sorry. I've gotten a lot done to the house. You guys are gonna be shook. Hey guys, so small update on my ears. They are looking so good. They're healing so quickly. I am so surprised. So I started using a scar cream. It is the Kate Somerville Scar Diminishing Serum. I got this a while back for my boyfriend for some of his, and I just decided to like randomly start using it. And I swear in like a day, it like healed halfway more. It was crazy, but they're so much lighter now. Like the improvement in just like a couple days has been amazing. I've also been putting that cream on my lipo scars. They're actually so much lighter. I'm really impressed. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update of my house because it's been a really long time and I don't really remember what I've showed you, but I haven't showed you. So I'm just gonna kind of go through and show you what I've done. So here's my vanity room before. I'm gonna like kind of skip over this kind of quickly because it's really embarrassing. Look at how much better it is. It is so crazy. So it's pretty basic in here still. I just have like a rack with some stuff, all of my shoes. Here's my filming table, my makeup storage, and my nail table. Nothing else right now. It is pretty empty in here, which is probably why everyone's been hearing so much of an echo in my videos, but I have acoustic foam on the way and I'm gonna put that all over the entire wall so it'll be so much better in here. We actually moved David's desk out of our bedroom and we have Zoe's bed. It's so dirty already. I washed it literally last night. So that way we have a lot more space in our bedroom. Then some basic side tables. Other than that, there's still literally nothing in here. The mirror here, it's just one from IKEA. I had to order it because there's no IKEA in Nashville, but it wasn't too bad. Shipping was only like 40 bucks. Put up a coat rack. Wow. And then I also got this table with this lamp, just a marble table. I got this from Target. I've been putting up some of my Alex Party artwork. Got a rug for in here, finally. It looks a little bit not as weird in here now with the rug there. TV, I don't remember if I showed you guys, it all went up last time. We got these mats from Amazon and they have been a lifesaver. They are like specially made to like soak up water and mud and stuff, and it's been so helpful. I'll link things that I can down below. It's been so nice. Here is my guest bedroom. We, like I said, swapped the bed frames. I got this set on sale from Target for like $10. Super good deal. I have a present for my friend because it was her birthday. I switched out the doorknobs and I put up some curtains, and it just, I mean, it's still really plain in here. I'm still working on it, but yeah, I got some side tables. We put up like this little itty bitty mini TV. So yeah, this is the guest bedroom. And basically final update to the house. This bedroom that was basically a storage room is now an office for me and David for now. So I'm here with my friends. These are like my lifelong friends. I've known them for a really long time and they're visiting me here in Nashville. So we're gonna be out and about in a lot. So I'm gonna vlog. Hopefully it won't be boring. All right, this is Nadia. That's Alyssa. Here's my outfit. All of our outfits. They convinced me to actually wear something besides leggings, so. So we decided to stop and get some beer/food before. We didn't want to be too early for the show because I don't really even know these people, so I can't imagine who's opening.
We don't want to surf too hard.
Yeah, can't go too crazy today. It's only a Tuesday. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna dye my hair really quick. My friends are still here, but this is just looking like a hot mess a little bit. I think what I have in mind is going to cover this. Hopefully there might be a couple spots like where this purple is that's not perfect, but we're gonna just roll with it. So for like the top, like, I don't know, half, I'm gonna use the Electric Paradise from Arctic Fox. Go into a little bit of like an orange. I don't have a lot of this, so like whatever I can use of this, it's sunset orange. And then I'm gonna put some yellow at the bottom because why not? So yeah, I have a code for Arctic Fox. It's an affiliate code. It's just Emily Susanna. You get 10% off. Brush it out a little bit. All right. So this is not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be like a whole, you know, like hour thing. I got like, I don't know, 20 minutes to do this. So we're doing it. And then I'm gonna just dilute it with a little bit of this. This is like the hair it's like a hair mask. I'm just gonna, like, I have a little of this, so I'll put this in here. Here we go. Ooh, bright, bright. Fine. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to take this orange and, oh, that's dark. I'm going to mix that in a little bit with all the rest of the conditioner that I had. And then now I'm going to use the Cosmic Sunshine. Now I'm going to use the Cosmic Sunshine on bottom. I'm not going to dilute this at all because, like, I'm really confused. It just started coming out orange? Wait, it's getting like lighter. Like, what's happening? It's like, that was weird. Maybe I accidentally switched the caps at one point or something. That is so weird. But I guess that's a good transition color. Right here, I'll just add a little bit of this stuff. Right here, make it a little lighter. Alright, I'm gonna go let this sit for a little while and we'll move on it. Hey guys, so I thought I would end this vlog. I've spent the past week with my friends, so thank you guys for giving me a little time to do that. I'm gonna give a final update on my ears for now until I get them re-pierced. They are still pretty tender, like it does hurt if I squeeze them a bit, but they are looking pretty good. Also, I didn't really do a big reveal on my hair, but you guys can see it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a like if you like when I do vlogs. I was thinking of doing maybe like a bi-weekly one or a weekly or something like that. Let me know. Hopefully you guys like this video, but I'm gonna get going. I'll probably have a nail video next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Bye.
Easy. Sit.
They're born on March 24th.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah. That's light green, dark green, or emerald?
Light green.
LIGHTGREEN. 10, 3, 6, 1.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.